Hi everyone, this is Jeff of TAOFLEDERMAUS. Today we're going to look at a story coming out of Winchester, New Hampshire about a guy that set a fireworks store on fire with a shotgun slug. Now, this story was brought to our attention through Facebook. Yeah, a few people do use Facebook still. It's a good way to get a hold of us. But anyway, this comes from Travis Macy. I hope it's okay that I use your name and all that. But he asked if I'd heard about incident where a fireworks store caught on fire. Well, according to the story, a gentleman living across the street from the fireworks store had a accidental discharge or negligent discharge, and the slug went through his wall, across the street, and into the wall of the fireworks store. In less than 48 seconds, I don't know if somebody was actually timing it or not, the fireworks store, which was 3,000 square feet, was filled with fire, smoke, and explosions. And Travis supplied us with not one but two different news articles corroborating this story. But a lot of people are skeptical about the story, especially whether or not a shotgun slug going through two exterior walls could actually start a fire like this. So today we're going to find out if you can actually light a firework with a shotgun slug, or maybe there's more to the story and a possible insurance fraud scam. Who knows?
Well, welcome back, TAOFLEDER crew. So we're going to see, we got a variety of some old fireworks here. We're going to shoot them with some slugs directly, hopefully, and see if we can get them to go off.
Yeah, it's kind of a Mythbusters thing because a lot of people think that you can't set off a firework at all with a shotgun slug. And people are kind of like, you know, the police determined that the shotgun slug, I mean, it makes sense. You know, the guy shot the slug, went through the walls, set the place on fire. You know, he had cause and effect. But a lot of people are doubting that. They think there might be something more to the story, like maybe insurance fraud scam or something like that, I think.
Unless there was a 1 in a million chance he hit a electrical wire or something.
Yeah, there's always that possibility.
We're going to find out if a slug will set them off directly, if we can hit them.
Yeah, so what do we have there?
I've got a little variety. We're going to use some of these true ball slugs. And got some of these little snapper things. Of course, you guys know those. You throw them down or give them a pinch. And some of these unmentionables. And we've got some morning glories, sparklers. I guess you call them that these days. And a little tongue-in-cheek golden shower.
Yep. No, we don't even dwell on that.
No, we won't go there.
That's the real name of that firework.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't come up with that. These are one of those ground spinners. And then a couple of these things here that's supposed to go boom.
Yeah, little mortars. This is kind of stuff that would probably be in that fireworks store. So
yeah. So there's a pretty decent variety, a representation of some different fireworks. And we're going to see what we can do downrange. We're going to set them up at about 50 yards down here. And
nice safe distance,
just
yeah.
For safety's sake, yeah. Got my safety hat, my safety squints, and my safety shirt. And
Okay, that's about 50 yards. Yep, there's our 50-yard marker right here. Okay.
Some firecrackers. Let's see what it does to those.
it's a pretty small target.
That's
but
a
we'll see
small
what we can
target.
do.
Really pushing Danny's aiming abilities here, but I think he can do it. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, what is that? Like a ground bloom flower?
Yeah, one of those ground spinner things.
Okay.
Kind of dark and kind of small.
Yeah, it's a small target.
Yeah.
But I'm ready when you are. Try to hit
All right, here, let's see what we can
smack in the middle of it.
Well, it looks like the slug just clipped the very, very bottom of the ground bloom flower. In retrospect, we probably should have taken some practice shots, but hey, that stuff costs money, you know?
Well, he hit a little low, didn't even get to the powder, so we're gonna try this one again. Try to hit it up in here. Okay, ground bloom flower again. Let's give it another try. I am ready.
Shot number 2 is a little better, hitting it where the actual powder is. All we see is a bunch of powder dust flying through the air though. No flames, no sparks, no flashes. So far, maybe that's the wrong type of firework.
Okay, he definitely hit the powder that time. And I think this smoke cloud was just a dust cloud. Okay, now we've got the fountain, the inappropriately named Chinese firework there. Okay, that's, you got to hit that thing dead nuts in the middle. Hit that O. Okay, I'm ready when you are.
There's no doubt at all that Danny hit the powder directly on this shot. But again, no flash, no fire, not even a spark.
Inside that is just a little tube.
About the size of a 12 gauge shell in there.
Yeah, he went right, you know, he clipped it and you saw the powder and stuff coming out the back. It didn't set it off. Popo snappers. These little snap-its or pop-its or, I don't know, they have all kinds of names, but...
Yeah, and little things you throw down on the ground and they pop, or
yeah.
Squeeze them and they pop.
Yep.
Let's squeeze them with a slug. That's an awful small target you're giving me out there.
That's very small. Let's see if he can hit it. I'm ready. I'd say you hit it.
I'd say it went pop.
Okay, what happened to the Popo snappers?
Well, I'm not sure exactly where I hit it. We'll see that on the slow-mo. But they all went off. We didn't find any that had any of the, whatever it is in there, popper solution.
Yeah. No, I don't think we saw any fire. You know, it would have caused a fire or anything like that.
No.
But you know, these are popular fireworks, and
Yeah,
people would be upset if we didn't try that. You know.
Yeah, it seems to be the kids' favorite because they make noise.
Yeah.
Another good direct shot, but once again, no fire, no spark, no flame, nothing. At least nothing that would start a fireworks store on fire.
Okay, what about a mortar round?
Yeah. We're going to try for the base first and see if it'll light it off and launch the mortar.
Try to hit the fuse maybe, or there's a theory that the friction of the slug hitting the fuse will light the fuse. Who knows?
Or the powder to launch the mortar?
I don't know. Yeah, there's black powder in there.
Yeah, see what we can do.
Okay, take your time and hit that sucker dead center.
Are we ready?
I'm ready.
Under the best possible conditions, just a direct shot, not going through any walls or anything. The mortar, again, did not ignite, no fire, no spark, no nothing. The investigators claim that a slug started the fire is not looking very good, folks.
Okay, now he's going to try to hit the top of the mortar where all the starburst stuff is located, a little whatever they're called. Okay, I'm ready.
All right. Hold your breath.
I didn't see anything. My goodness. Yeah, he definitely hit it. Did not set it off. I would have thought of all of them, these would have done it.
Yeah, there's quite a mixture of different things inside there.
Yeah. Interesting.
Now a 12 gauge slug traveling through one exterior wall through another exterior wall is going to slow down considerably. But here we are, these things are traveling around 1700 feet per second, and we couldn't get this thing to go off. Our last hope are the sparklers. We're going to bundle all 6 boxes of these together in one bundle.
Okay, I am ready.
Alrighty, here we go. Wow.
You know what? I saw a little flash.
I see some smoke.
Of all the types of fireworks that we tried, only these actually kind of detonated. It was just a quick little flash, but we definitely had detonation there, a fireball, possibly some sparks. So there is even a slight possibility that the fireworks store was started by that shotgun slug. It's a slight chance, but if the conditions are just right, the humidity, the speed of the slug was still strong enough to hit a big box of these, sparklers or some other firework that would possibly ignite like that, it's entirely possible. We can't rule it out. Sometimes these events are just a fluke, a 1 in a million chance where a chain of events happen that are just right, but it allows it to happen. At the end, we just lit the whole mess on fire just to prove that they're, still active fireworks. They're not old or bad or anything like that. I want to take a second to thank our Patreon supporters. Right now, we're getting hit with demonetization like crazy. We thought 2018 was bad. 2019 is looking like a really miserable year for video creators like us. But we thank these folks for keeping our channel alive. They believe in us. I wish YouTube believed in us. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.